What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Photoshop. Stick around. What's going on, YouTube? Campbell's Code here. And I have a video. I am going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail for this video, actually, on how to make a YouTube thumbnail. So let's get into it. First off, you're going to want to, for this video, we're using Adobe Photoshop. That is what I'm in right now. You can just come down here and type Photoshop. Photoshop, boom, click that, and it will bring you here. And we want to create a new file. Now, for a YouTube thumbnail, the best dimensions are 1280 width and 720 height, with an orientation of landscape, which is this. And the rest of this is all good. You can change the background color right here for it if you want. Black, white. I usually just do black or white. RGB color mode is what I prefer. Color profile sRGB. Yeah, all that's good. And just hit create. And this will be our thumbnail. Second, we want to find an image that corresponds to the title of our video. So, how to make a YouTube thumbnail. You probably want some sort of a YouTube logo. So let's come up here to our browser and go to Google. Type in if I could spell YouTube. And then we'll go to images and just find, I actually kind of like the black. Let's see. What do we want to use? Let's just use something simple like this. And we can right click, save image as. I'm going to save it in a particular folder. You can save it anywhere, just remember where you save it. I'm going to save it in this video folder that houses all the media I'm going to use for the video. So, and we'll just call this YouTube. And you can see it's a JPEG image. Save. Sometimes it is a WebP file, WEBP, which you cannot use in Photoshop. So if that happens, you can open Paint, which is a standard Windows program. It comes included in Windows, and open up Paint, and then go to the folder where you have your image that you just saved, and that is right here, and you can just drag it and drop it into Paint. And then you come up here to File, Save As. I recommend PNG. And I need to go back to that folder and save. Okay. We don't need this anymore. And then now we have the PNG version, which we can just grab and drop. right there. Right? This back over here. Alright. So now you really just want to figure out where you want the elements on your thumbnail. So if we want to resize this and keep the same dimensions, you want to hold Shift on the keyboard and then click and hold and drag, and it will keep the same aspect ratio of the original image. Okay, so let's do about there, and then we can kind of center this. I hope it's not giving me my center lines. I wonder why that is. Maybe I have to do this first and then there's a center line, but it's not giving me my vertical center line. That's weird. That's alright. We can eyeball it. Okay. Now we want our title. So come over here to text, and here we can change the color of the text. So let's say we want to make it red. We can come over here and it has the eyedropper tool. You can see by the mouse icon, that's the eyedropper tool, and you just click on a color and it changes your text color to that color. Okay, and then we can draw our text box, and up here we can change font, we can change the bold, italic, font size. Those are really the only ones. This is alignment, left, center, right. If you want to curve your text or warp it, you can make 3D text if you want. But let's try about 100 size font. And we'll do how to create so we're going to highlight this and increase to 20. Let's try 130. Let's try 140. There we go. 140. Because I think I want to incorporate the logo into the title. So we'll come over here to the move tool and move this image down, and we'll move the text up like so. How to create a YouTube, and then we need more text. Thumbnail using Photoshop. right? Okay. Actually, we can bring that up a little bit. Okay. Let's see. Move tool. Again, we kind of want to try to align this so it looks decent. Maybe we should make the text a little bit smaller down here. Let's try 120. Okay. That looks pretty good, right? Okay, let's see. Let's do some, make the text look a little bit better. So you come over here and double click the layer right here, and it'll bring up kind of your special effects. So you can add, say, like a stroke to the text, which I don't like that one. Let's try this one. So we have the size, the position, opacity, color. Let's try black, but not the size. 1, 2, oop, not 12. 2, maybe. Okay. Let's see if we can double and emboss. That makes a little bit of a shadow. You can kind of see the shadow that it creates there. Makes it look a little 3D. That's pretty cool. What else do we have here? Outer glow. Don't see that doing too much. Oh, probably because it's white. Ah. That's with the black. But that is just too much. Maybe we can make it look cool though. Let's see here. You can kind of just play with these a little bit to get them the way you want. That's pretty good. Get more of that bevel effect. Let me try like 18 maybe. That looks pretty good. I think I like that. Okay. And then you can do the same to your other text. Double click this layer. this out of the way and do a bevel. There's the same bevel. There's the same stroke. And there is the same outer glow. Okay. I think I like that. Let's save this real quick. Save as. Make sure I'm saving in the correct folder. Just gonna call this thumbnail. Save. Okay. Now, let me see what else we could do here. Where is my browser? Let's try black. Circuit board background. Find something cool. Something cool. I mean, it doesn't have to be spectacular. Let's see. Let's just use this maybe. No, that's got watermarks on it. What about that one? That one doesn't. That one does. That one doesn't. See, this is that WebP file format I was talking about. So I can save it, right? But once we come back into Photoshop, and you can see I have this black circuit board web P file, and if I try to drag this over, it's going to give me this error, right? So that's what I was talking about. You have to come back in here to Paint, and you can drag that file type into Paint. So grab it here and drag it over, and we're going to cut that part off and save as PNG in the same folder. Save. It says you will lose transparency, but there isn't any transparency in this picture, so it doesn't matter. Save that, and now we have the PNG file that we can bring over. Okay. Ooh, let's see. Nope, wrong one. Let me put this back over here. Alright, and this I want to bring up here and resize. Like so. but we want to move it all the way to the back. So we come over to the layer and bring it all the way down below all the other layers. Oh no, this is not what I wanted, because I forgot that the YouTube image was not transparent. So that sucks. That's not gonna work. Nope. You can turn it on and off by this little eye over here, by the way. We could always leave it like this, but it's not as detailed as I would like it to be, or ornate, maybe that's the word. That's why I really like the black. You know what? Okay, so I found an image that I like better than this one. So we're gonna try that one out. Instead. Okay. Wait. It's not resized right. So when it's not resized right, you can click the image and hit Control T, which will bring you into transform mode. And then again, press Shift and click and drag to resize, maintaining original aspect ratio. There you go. And then let's get rid of hide the text for a minute here. And I want to paint the rest of this background black. So I'm going to come over here and right click on the paint bucket tool and then click paint bucket tool. Come down here to pick my color, scroll down to black, okay. And you have to unlock the background by clicking the lock. And boom. There we go. Okay, let's go back to the move tool. Want to center that vertically. Scoot it over just a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to get rid of this text and redo it. So let's right click the layer, delete layer, right click, delete layer. Okay, let's do some different text here. Click the text tool, come up here to color, and I'm going to pick like upright. I think I like that one. Okay. And let's try this again here. We're gonna need smaller text though. So, okay. Or let me think here for a second. I want it to glow red, so I think we want the text to be white. Okay. And we definitely want the font to be Impact. Impact looks really good on thumbnails because it's very visible. So, how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Photoshop. Okay, I like that, I think. Cool. Go to the move tool. Let's kind of center this how we want it. That looks pretty good. I'll move this over a little bit more. There we go. I'm not sure what this little line is right here, but we can come over to the eraser tool, and this right here, the color behind is the background color. It's also the eraser color. So we're on the eraser now, and you can hit Control +, and it'll zoom in, and you can see it's got this line here that I don't want. Oh, it is not that color. What is going on? My eraser tool. I was on the background eraser tool. No. Is it because I don't have it locked? That's not working, so we're going to use the brush tool instead. And that'll change it red, which we don't want. Change the mode to normal and change this to black. What the heck? Huh. Well, I am not going to spend any more time trying to figure that out, which I can do another day. I'm just going to transform this image and extend it out to get rid of it, which I probably should have done in the first place. Okay. Alright, let's go back to the effects on the... First off, I want to get rid of these layers. And let's go back to the effects here on the text. Let's see if we can do something. I wanted to do the stroke, but we want the color to be something like that. Right? Okay. And then the double should be up, and it should not be that prominent. So let's decrease the size down to, let's try 5. 6, 7 looks pretty good. Alright, let me do this outer glow here. I'm going to change the stroke to black. There we go. Okay. And then in this glow, feel like I kind of like the dissolve a little bit. You could do that and then bring the, so let's say okay on that, and then we can bring an image on top of it. No, we can't. No, because it's not transparent. So let's go back to the overlay. With the jitter a little bit. Just the jitter. Playing around with some of these settings here, and they don't, not all of them do very much. Kind of just like the normal, really. Kind of like that. No? This is the drop shadow. Which, that was maybe the glow that I was looking for. You can just kind of play around with these settings. I kind of wanted it to glow, so I'm thinking probably this one with a light glow. And you can see how it's kind of glowing a little bit. And then if we change that color to that glow, how much we want it to be. $29, $30. That looks pretty good, I think. Look at the bevel again here. Hello, emboss. I think I just like the regular emboss. Pretty good. Okay. I think I like it. Doesn't have to be spectacular. It just needs to be something that pops and that you can read when you're scrolling through YouTube on a smaller device like a cell phone, right? So let's save this and then export as a PNG, and we'll just save it as finished product, FP, thumbnail, you can name it whatever you want. Boom. And this is where I saved it. So FP thumbnail, let's check it out. That is what it looks like. All right. That was kind of a simple way of, or a simple version of a YouTube thumbnail, but you get the idea. You kind of got to play with the settings and just be creative with it and figure out what you like and what looks good. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, comment. Let me know if you know what you guys do for thumbnails, if you use different software, or if you know you have different ways of creating, or better ways, because I'm always down to you know, learn more efficient and effective ways of doing things. All right, until next time, Campbell's Code out. Thanks a lot, guys.
Get quickie with it.